Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add zkSync to MetaMask app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaMask app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaMask apps on in the screen, or you can see the Polygon mainnet at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option, and now you can see the add network at the bottom of this screen, so simply select that one. And now you can see the zkSync era mainnet at the last of this section, so you need to click on the add at the right side, so simply tap on add option and now confirm, and finally tap on switch to network, and yeah, you will be able to add zkSync to MetaMask app successfully. So basically this is how you can add zkSync to MetaMask, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.